In Japan, quality is everything. First, quality. Second, quality. Third, quality. Trust is equally very important. That's why we always keep our promises, meet deadlines, and exceed expectations. Hello, Eunmi Lee. I'm a director of CemeCon Japan.
Hello, I'm the General Manager of CemeCon Japan. I'm responsible for equipment sales and after sales. PVD coating, CemeCon AG has nearly 40 years of experience. The CemeCon Group's focus on the high beam technology provides an even wider range of possibilities, such as a smoother and much better stress-controlled coating surfaces. As a leader in these technologies, we encourage our Japanese customers to visit us, consult them on a high level, and even give them the opportunity to use our live batching experience.